That familiar rumble? It's not just your stomach complaining, it's a surprisingly complex process at work. Believe it or not, your stomach always thinks it's getting food, even when there isn't any. This constant expectation triggers muscle contractions, pushing things around, even when there's nothing to push. And here's the strange part. These contractions trap air, creating those iconic growling sounds. It's like your digestive system is a little echo chamber, amplifying the sounds of its own activity. Hit that subscribe button to unlock more amazing science.